So lisinopril is a blood pressure medication, but one of its classic side effects is known as dry cough. If you don't know, this is an ACE inhibitor, and the way that it works is that it essentially inhibits this enzyme that is called ACE. And ACE normally is responsible for the activation of angiotensin II, which is a molecule that helps the body raise its blood pressure through different mechanisms like salt retention and vasoconstriction. This mechanism is awesome for reducing blood pressure, but it has one issue. See, ACE is also responsible for the degradation of bradykinin. And when you're taking this kind of medication, bradykinin obviously accumulates, and this can lead to your airways becoming more sensitive and more prone to dry cough. So the best way to manage this is usually just to switch to an ARB that acts further down the pathway and doesn't act on bradykinin like ACE inhibitors do.